All right, guys, it's Tuesday. It's warm. It's probably it's got to be close to 90 degrees already, and it's about 11 o'clock. And we're going to ride through the pits. And as you guys can see, wow, John Calvert's out here with 3 cars. And I think the middle one is a 2019 Cobra Jet. It's going to run AA. So me and the 5 other guys are going to have our hands full with John, because John is really fast. I don't know what the other cars are running, what classes they're running, but he's all the way out here from California. Nice to see John. So let's go ride through the pits and check out all the race cars. See who's out, see who's not out. Guys, later I'm gonna do some photos. And you know, it's only Tuesday, so I don't know if there's gonna be a lot of cars out. There's Jimmy Ronzello, and I don't know if you know how many cars will be out, but I'm gonna take photos later. But right now, I just want to ride through the pits. I'd say 75% of the rigs and cars are already here. Kevin Dougherty with his 2 Cobra Jets. Very nice. Okay. But I wanted to ride down here where most of the race cars are, and then we'll swing back and I'll show you the last run of where a lot of guys are parked that got here early. So let's go down this road. We don't really go down this road much, but let's try this road. So guys, you have to bear with me if you hear some silence, because I'm trying to get my thoughts together as far as who's driving what. I think that was Justin Lamb's setup. I'm not sure on the K&N now that I think of it, but I don't know. So I might make mistakes, but at least we get to see the stuff. That's kind of a nice place to park here. Daniels with their iconic Dart. I gotta say, I gotta go talk to them later. I always get a kick out of. Oh, that's Gary. Okay, Gary's not racing anymore, so I guess he knew it was me. Maybe he waved. I didn't even see it, but. So yeah, I guess more parking. I guess this is for the Hemi cars right here. It's kind of quiet and nice over here. I remember when I first came down here, my first year, this is where I parked, right against this fence. It was my first year here. 1988, I'm almost positive it was 88. Could have been 89, I think it was 88. I think we talked about that anyway. So, like I said, there's probably about 75% of the cars are already here. It's Tuesday, it's warm. I think the rest of them will be coming in today. Arizona Dan, our parking crew, NHRA parking crew, has been doing a bang-up job, just knocking everything out. We're going to come back down this road. We'll look at more cars here, but let's go shoot over here. And this is the famous intersection right here. This is where you'll have this dude that hangs out, and he just kind of has a whistle, and he's just directing traffic, because it gets hectic at that corner. I guess this is where you pick up your UPS packages. So this is probably, I would say, a bulk of the race cars are down here. We're gonna go this goes way back. And guys, this area, well, I'm gonna show you in a minute. I'll talk about it later when I swing back down the other way. I'm gonna show you where supposedly all the pros are gonna be in a couple of years. Oh, it's like Taylor, I guess the Taylor, I think it's not Taylor. Jesus, I'm sorry, guys. Howie Smith's operation. He's from Western New York. Ken Hanley's operation. He's from where I'm at. Yeah, a lot of guys. I mean, it's 11 o'clock-ish, and a lot of guys aren't out, you know. But I figured you guys could see all the rigs, which is, I'm thinking maybe 650 on this side, maybe 600. I mean, I could be off a little bit. Hey, doing good, bud. Rock hoss. Yeah, he used to run in Superstock back in the day. That beautiful Roush Camaro. How stupid Roush Camaro. That Roush Mustang. I think it was an 08. Yeah, because it's the same one as mine. So we're gonna go down this kind of gravelly dirt road. I want to show you how deep this goes back for parking. It's gonna be a little bit of a long video, kind of a boring video, guys. But just get an idea of how big this place is and how many cars are here. Now we're at the end of the track. This is the end. To my right, we'll just kind of shoot out there real quick, and I'll just show you what the turnaround looks like. It's a good track if you're fast. if your car's really fast, because you just turn around. I mean, the shutdown is really, really good. So we're at the end of the track, the shutdown. This is the shutdown, guys. I'm just going to go out here a little bit. And yeah, just show you what the shutdowns look like. Now this is just going to be for NHRA pro stuff. After they make a run, they get all interviewed in this area on my left. But we're going to just show you the shutdown, guys. I guess that's the pea gravel, the fence, and there's the track. Yeah. Indianapolis. I do enjoy this track. It's not the fastest track, but I enjoy it. I enjoy racing here. So as you can see straight ahead, it looks like Jim Schechter out there. Yeah, so this is like, I call it the I don't know, the Outback, the back 40. I don't know why it's supposed to call it, but it's just way back. And if you don't mind the ride going up to the staging lanes, it sure is peaceful back here. It's just so quiet and nice. Let me just see if I can get a better shot. Yeah, nice. All right, guys, let's kind of head back. And I don't really want to cut through people's pits. That stick car, Division 3. Because I don't like it when people cut through mine, so I just got to give them the same courtesy. So we're going to run back, and I'm going to just, I'll start this up again when I get close to where parts we haven't seen. All right, guys, we're hitting the crossroads again. I don't know what it's called. It may be called a crossroads. Who knows? So more Hemi cars are over here. I've never seen that Challenger before. That's pretty cool. I think it's super gas. Oh, I love this car. Steve Kent has the car now, but it's Ralph Papor's old Corvette. And it was a stick car, but I guess it's automatic because it says A. So it's cool. Very cool. Hey, we got to check this out. I hope I get a picture of this thing. That's cool. That is so cool. Soxon Martin. Mike Walter. He's been doing it as long as I have. So I think the Hemi cars are also parked over here. That should be interesting. Chuck Westcott is racing, and Steve Camella. I mean, to me, I think from what I know, I think those cars are to beat, but I can't. Those are the cars to beat, but I don't. And this is where Candies are always to my left, so they're always hanging over here. Yeah, so that's their famous spot. But yeah, they're the cars to beat. I think. I mean, I could be wrong, but let's kind of. I don't like to shoot people through people's pits, but this is not kind of. These are the showdown cars. So I think that's Liebershire. Is that Liebershire's car? Yeah, I think so. Yep, I could be wrong. No, guys, I'm always screwing shit up. No, it's not. So, but yeah, let's go this way. I should know. I should know his rig. But yeah, this is where Showdown is going to be a mix of. It's all mixed up. They were supposed to put all the Showdown cars to the right, all the FX cars to the left, and then over here, this big empty spot, all this stuff is Pro Mod. They'll be coming in, I guess, Wednesday. Anyway, this is basically, this is the main road going to the staging lanes. Everybody in the back would be coming this way. They would be rolling up this way, in the back 40, and this is the road. Where I'm parked, it's a little different. And then you have, to my left, you have just a ton of cars parked here. This is Jimmy DeFrank. Always a big shout out to Jimmy. The DeFranks are really good, the class racer. Super nice guy, Jimmy, and much appreciated the help I get from those guys. And they love supporting the stock and super stockers. Hey, that was Tony Fignelli, and one of my nemesis in a double A. This might be a double A Cobra Jet here too. I don't know. I don't know some of these cars from you can't see the number on the car, but or it could be a Showdown car. Is that? No, that's not. Okay. Guys, like I said, I'm always screwing up. All those Mustangs look alike to me. Cool Corvette, cool 55. Yeah, you gotta love this car. GTD, so he's got a late model motor on it. Nice. That's what I always wanted, to have like an old car like that with a GT motor in it. What's up, Sterling? So this is kind of it. And this is like this area where you see right here, where I'm riding here. This will be full with stockers and super stockers, chilling and cooling down and getting ready for to qualify, basically. Also Class 2 and Class Happen from Wally Clark. Love purple. And then we'll just finish up in the staging lanes. And to my right, a ton of cars over here also. Gaffney with Marty Reinhardt driving, so it's good. And we got Hoven with the carp car, Todd. So yeah, so to my right, and you'll see a bunch of cars here. But so these are the staging lanes, folks. And you guys already seen the staging lanes from my last video, and that wonderful new tower that Penetrate decided to put up. All right, guys, guess that's it for now. And that's a ride through the pits. If I can, my next ride through is probably going to be. My next ride through will probably be a walk through the lanes, which is going to be just tons of cars. And we'll just finish it off looking at Al Karp's car and Todd Hoven, the driver. And that's it for now, guys. And we'll be back.